Hey, what's up guys, it's BarbaraBeauté and I'm back on your screen with another video. Today I am trying non-touring. Non-touring. What is non-touring, you ask? Honestly, I don't really know. Go to Jackie Aina's video and find out, because that's where I got the term from. She said that she didn't really invent it herself, but that's where I saw it and I was like, girl, I want to try that too. I need me a Caucasian nose too. I was like, let me go ahead and figure that out, since I struggle with contouring so much, the contouring of my nose so much. Try it on camera. You know, if you think I'm copying her, well, that's what tutorials are for, you know, recreating, learning. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I tried the non-touring, just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Naked Skin concealer in the color Extra Deep, and I'm gonna use this as my cream contour type of color. I really like this concealer. It does have a little bit of a red undertone. The coverage is great on these concealers. I use it for contouring. So I'm gonna just go right here at my tear duct area and just do like small little dots. I know this is supposed to be non-touring, but I actually want mine to shape my nose more. Then what I'm going to do is take a fluffy concealer, or fluffy type of brush, just like this one. Kind of blend it, tap it, and blend it. Bring it up into my crease area as well. This color is dark. Okay, so far I look kind of crazy. We're just trying it. Do you see that? I don't know if I should blend it more. Okay, that looks decent. I like that. Then what I'm gonna do is take a lighter concealer. So I'm gonna take LA Girl in the color Toffee and LA Girl in the color Chestnut. Mix those together and do my bridge of the nose highlight. Mix it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna go right in the center of my nose with it. Whoa. Bring it all the way down. Whoa. And then I'm gonna go right against the contour that I created and highlight. Bring it all the way down and across, because that's what Jackie did. And this is a great color combo. I feel like I'm getting somewhere with this. I like how it looks so far. I like to let my concealer sit just for a little bit so it could just give you more coverage and stuff. So I'm gonna let it sit and then I'll come back and blend it out. I always blend with my finger. That's just my preference. So just blending it out. Making sure I don't mess up this line right here. This is a Real Techniques contour brush. Oh, this method seems like a lot of work, but I guess it wasn't supposed to be easy. It does look good now that I've blended all that I can with my fingers, because I totally forgot to bring a brush to blend the edges. I'm just gonna set my under eyes with the usual Fit Me powder in the color 355 Coconut and my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. I'm gonna set my under eyes like I always do, but I'm gonna bring it in right there, like so. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the Laura Mercier powder just because it's mattifying, very mattifying, to do the nose, like so. Now to set the contoured areas of my nose, I'm going to take an eyeshadow. This one is going to be from the Juvias Place Masquerade palette. I'm going to take Fulani and just set the contours of my nose. And I'm just using that simply because I ran out of my other contour powder. And I'm just gonna do exactly where I put the concealer, the cream contour. I can definitely see how this shapes your nose without shaping your nose. I mean, I need to work on my blending, but I like it. Compared to what I usually do, it looks good. Like, this is a Caucasian nose. What she also did was she put a highlighter. I'm not big on the nose highlight anymore, but I'm gonna do it. Just gonna take this brush again, this Urban Decay little brush. I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Master Chrome. I'm gonna go right here. I never do this, so this is kind of weird. And I think you're supposed to do the tip of the nose. Oh yeah, that definitely makes a difference though. The highlight makes a difference. Wow. What nose? I don't have a nose. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face off camera and then I'll come back and show you guys how everything looks all together. So this is the final look with my entire face done, highlight, lips, mascara and everything. So I don't know if you can see it, but here's my nose. I think it looks pretty good if you ask me. I think this overall, this method would be perfect for someone who doesn't know how to contour their nose like I don't, but you want to really take it up a notch or whatever and you want to try it. I think this is good. It's like all the work is done for you. Adding of the highlight at the high points really sets it off. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Whoa. Yeah, what do you guys think? Do you guys think I pulled it off? Leave me a comment, let me know. Will you be trying this? Let me know. That is it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.